Hey, what's up everybody? Coach Phil here. Gonna show you how to make my protein pudding. Got a little Greek yogurt, got a little protein powder, got a little mixed berry granola. So we're starting off with the 2% Greek yogurt. It comes in a little pack there. You can get the big old tub one and do your thing. Just put about half a cup in. And after that, we're gonna grab the protein powder. We're gonna throw a half of the scoop in right now. It's a lot easier to get it incorporated with just half. So grab the biggest whisk you got in your kitchen and get that old butter churner to work. So just trying to get that nice and mixed up. Once we get that all incorporated, we'll throw the next half of it in. Makes it a little easier. And then if you wanted to make a bigger batch, you know, if you got 4 or 5 you want to make, meal prep, go ahead and do that. Just times all the recipes by 4. So throw your old yogurt, pudding love into a serving tray, and then the Fagés come with a great little blueberry jam thing. You can do fresh blueberries, you can do whatever you want. Important thing is you're getting about 35 grams of protein in this little tiny snack. So put a little granola on top, and there you go. Nice little protein boost. Enjoy.